Leaving a job often comes with a lot of questions, especially when it concerns your hard-earned benefits. One of the most common things people wonder about is their unused paid time off. What happens to that time you have accrued? Is your employer required to pay you for it when your employment ends? The direct answer is that whether salaried workers are owed unused paid time off upon termination largely depends on state law and the specific policies of their employer. There is no federal law requiring employers to pay out accrued, unused paid time off. This means the rules can vary significantly from one location to another, and even between companies. This situation is primarily governed by state regulations. Some states consider accrued paid time off as a form of earned wages, meaning employers must pay it out upon an employee's separation, regardless of company policy. Other states allow employers to have policies that forfeit unused paid time off at termination. The key mechanism here is how each state defines and treats paid time off as an earned benefit or a privilege that can be lost. To figure out your specific situation, a good first step is to carefully review your employer's written paid time off policy. This policy should clearly state what happens to unused vacation or sick time when an employee leaves the company. Look for details on payout, forfeiture, or any caps on accrual. If the policy isn't clear or you have questions, reach out to your Human Resources Department for clarification. Remember, their answer should align with your state's laws. It is also useful to know about use it or lose it policies. While many states permit these, some states have specific restrictions or even prohibit them, especially if the paid time off is categorized as wages. Another insider tip is to be aware that some states differentiate between vacation time and sick time, with sick leave sometimes having different payout rules. The nuances of these laws aim to balance employer flexibility with employee protection, ensuring fairness in final pay. Ultimately, understanding your rights regarding unused paid time off at termination empowers you to protect your financial interests. By checking your employer's policy and knowing your state's laws, you can ensure you receive everything you are entitled to, bringing a sense of closure and fairness to your job transition.